held by the Sundar Ramakrishna is the next part of the language. So here one person told, like these basically things are connected. Like these basically things are connected. So here one person asked the question basically, each group basically, for example Bollywood group, they are connected with the satellite group. They immediately basically sends the message to satellite group. Whatever basically things happens in the world basically, they are perfectly updated basically. And satellite group also basically say that we are also ready basically for any situation basically. So you can just imagine basically. Sports group also basically have one satellite group. They say that basically we are also ready. So here one person asked the question basically, this 700 crore human souls, 20 crore human souls, which is processing basically in the nuclear power plant. They say that basically their data basically is ready in the satellite. So if the entire nuclear power plant also basically will get end, they basically are ready basically. So here one person asked the question, कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं basically periodically that nuclear power plant basically gets end and the satellite group basically tells the earth planet create one more nuclear power plant. So one person said that possibilities are also there, because here the main is earth planet and universe basically. Chain is not supposed to track basically where the satellite groups are connected with the nuclear power plant. That chain basically is not supposed to be connected. So possibilities are there basically that periodically basically the 600, 700, 800 human souls basically where the data is getting processed, and 20 crore basically where the data is getting processed of the future child, that might get end periodically basically. That might be some, because World War I has happened, World War II basically has happened. Period is basically 70-80 years basically. So it might be possible that every 70-80 years basically the nuclear power plant basically might get end basically. Possibilities are there. So next day.